xy plus x squared all over y squared equal to 2. We want to find x and y. And or in what numbers x and y are integers. So let's solve, and we can say x and y are from -10, +10. Let's solve. We know the denominator shouldn't be 0. Denominator is y squared. So y squared shouldn't be 0. And it is equivalent that y shouldn't be 0. So let's get rid of, we don't like denominators because we are working with integers. When we are working with integers and we have denominators, we should multiply by the denominators to get rid of them. So we multiply both sides by y squared. Left hand side will be xy plus x squared. Right hand side will be 2y squared. Now we can say general solution for this. What can we do here? It is not so much typical, but we can say it is a quadratic function in terms of x. If we take all things to one left hand side, it will be x squared plus xy minus 2y squared equal to 0. For solving this, it is quadratic equation. You should know quadratic formula. If you don't know quadratic formula, I write it and memorize it for solving next problems because it's useful in many problems. If you have this, quadratic equation means the degree is 2, maximum degree. Then x will be negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's apply it here. A here is 1, b here is y, c here is negative 2y squared. If we consider this equation as a quadratic equation, x equal to negative b, which will be negative y plus minus square root of, we can say square root of b squared, y squared minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times c, negative 2y squared all over 2 times 1. It will be what? Negative y plus minus y squared plus 4 times 2, 8 squared, 8y squared, 9y squared, and it will be 3y. We can say absolute value of 3y. Because look, for example, if someone says square root of x squared, it's the absolute value of xy. Because, for example, negative 3 squared, it will be 3, not negative 3. All over 2. Now, we consider two cases. If y is at least, y cannot be 0, we said, because then the denominator will be 0. So if y is positive, x will be negative y. Let me tell you something. Because we say plus minus this, so it is not important absolute value. We consider plus sign of that and minus sign of that. So let me write here. It is solution number 1. I will also solve it with easier solutions. Negative y plus minus 3y all over 2. So let's write equal to negative y plus 3y will be 2y over 2, which will be y. Negative y minus 3y is negative 4y over 2, negative 2y. Now let's check. If x equal to y, it will be correct. If x equal to negative 2y, it will be negative 2y squared, 4y squared, 2y squared over y squared 2. So we will see it's correct. For x equal to y, how many answers are there? Except 0, we have all answers because for 0, we have the denominator will be 0. From negative 10 to 10, we have 20 answers here. X equal to negative 2y. The only case we should pay attention, y is not 0. And also, y cannot be, for example, greater than 5 because then x will be less than negative 10. So y can be negative plus minus 5 plus minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 1. All of them are good answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 answers. 10 plus 20, we have 30 answers. Okay. It is solution number one. Let me tell you, a solution that is so much easier. Here, xy plus x squared is 2y squared. Xy plus x squared is 2y squared. It's easy, but you should know something. For example, like what? You say x times y plus x equal to 2y squared. First, you can try to write like this, but a better way. Try to take all things to one side and try to factorize. 2y squared minus xy minus x squared. So if you want to factorize, you can say x minus y, or let's write y minus x first. For creating 2y squared, I place 2y, then I have negative 2xy, then you place plus x, it is equal to this. So when it is 0, y minus x equal to 0, or y equal to x, or 2y plus x equal to 0, and x equal to negative 2y, like the two cases that we had here, and the rest of the solution will be same. And we've not used any quadratic formula, only with factorization. Also, it has another solution. So homework, you can find another solution, or let me tell you another problem, xy plus x squared over y squared equal to 3. There's homework, and x and y are integers. Try to solve this and write your answers below this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. If you have questions or want to improve your problem solving, send message to my WhatsApp number. Thanks. See you next time.